Welcome to my channel Moral Teaching PNC. Today we will know some important facts about alcohol and drug use around the world. So, do you know in alcohol and drug use how the world is affected? Let us know. There are over 190 million drug users around the world. These users are now identified as drug abusers. Drug abuse is a mounting problem showing an alarming increase rate. This is a growing syndrome among young adults under 30. Drug abuse damages the body. Drug addicts often use needles to inject drugs. They risk contracting HIV and hepatitis B and C infections. Drugs of abuse are usually psychoactive drugs that are used by people for various reasons, which include reason 1, curiosity and peer pressure, especially among school children and young adults. Number 2 reason, the use of prescription drugs that are originally intended to cause pain relief often turns into recreational use. Number 3 reason, addictive chemicals are taking the place of traditional alcohols and are used as part of religious practices or rituals for recreational purposes. So these are some facts about alcohol and drug use. Let us know some other things. Do you know alcohol consumption contributes to 3 million deaths each year, while 28.8% of these deaths are due to injuries from traffic crashes, self-harm and violence, and 21% are due to digestive disorders and 19% due to cardiovascular disease. Overall, the harmful use of alcohol is responsible for 5.1% of the global burden of disease. Alcohol kills around 6,000 people every day across the world. Alcohol kills 2.6 lakh Indians every year either by causing liver cirrhosis, cancer or leading to road accidents caused by drunk driving. Do you know Odisha has the dubious distinction of being the second Indian state for alcohol-induced accident deaths? There were 735 and 900 accident deaths in 2017 and 2018 respectively due to drunk driving.